Hi, I am Anupama Maruvada, founder and clinical director of CBT2 Child Behavior Therapy with Cognitive Behavior Therapy. We are located on Putanahalli Road, JP Nagar 7th Phase, Bangalore. Oppositional defiant disorder, as the name indicates itself, is the child will be oppositional and defiant to authority. Usually most of the children show opposition at some point or the other, which should not be confused with a disorder. Usually for a disorder to be established and diagnosed, the child should have at least 3 or 4 symptoms associated with it, and for more than 6 months. Typically the signs and symptoms can be like aggressive behaviors and vindictiveness, argumentative, trying to defy rule or authority, and this child should be showing this kind of a behavior with more than one person outside his family members. And usually the causes are not exactly known, but typically we believe it's either genetic or environmental. In most cases it is environmental than genetic. Environmental means the child is learning through seeing or perceiving his environment and learning the behavior. Usually the complications associated with ODD, that is oppositional defiant disorder, can be attention deficit problems, learning disabilities, low self-esteem or aggressive behaviors, conduct disorder, bipolar disorders or depression, or it can lead to substance abuse as the child gets into adolescence or adulthood. These children also may be showing some antisocial behaviors and impulsive behaviors, and parents, when they notice children to be oppositional or defiant for more than 6 months, or if their daily routine is getting disturbed because of these behaviors, they should immediately visit a psychologist or a psychiatrist, because oppositional defiant disorder requires both cognitive behavior therapy along with drug therapy, which is like the best method of treatment for these children.